Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Facebook account on a web browser. So if you also want to log in Facebook account on a web browser, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I have opened Google Chrome. Now here you'll be able to see a search bar. All you have to do is click on it. Now type in www.facebook.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Facebook. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you have recently logged into this browser, you'll be able to see your account over here. All you have to do is click on it and after that you'll be able to log into your account. But if you do not see your account over here, you can log into your account by providing the credentials. First of all, click on this box. Now enter your email or phone number. Now also enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can also click on the option forgot password and after that you'll be able to reset your password. After you've entered your email or phone number and password, all you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here. If you have activated two-factor authentication, you might also need to provide the code. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Facebook account on a web browser. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.